Welcome to ScreenStory. Let's head straight into the dashboard to see how we turn simple screen recordings into polished professional videos. When you upload a new video, you have complete control. You can tell our AI the context of your video, choose from top-tier models like GPT-4, and select a premium voice that fits your brand perfectly. It's powerful, yet incredibly intuitive. Let's open up a project. What makes this special is that our AI has already analyzed the screen, generated a script, and timed it to the actions. You can easily tweak the script or explore different AI voices to find the perfect tone. What really makes your video stand out is the AI avatar. With just a few clicks, you can add a lifelike presenter to your video. You can customize their look, shape, and position, instantly adding a human touch that keeps your viewers engaged. Next, we'll make it match your brand. In the Style tab, you can adjust the caption padding and apply beautiful background colors or gradients. It ensures your video looks stunning and perfectly on brand every single time. Sometimes you need to highlight a specific area or hide sensitive information. Notice how easy it is to grab a shape from the Elements tab, drop it exactly where you need it, and even add smooth entry animations. It gives you full creative control right at your fingertips. Finally, let's preview our work. The avatar talks seamlessly, the script flows naturally, and your visual elements animate perfectly. What used to take hours of manual editing is now done in minutes. You're going to love how fast you can create amazing content.